Alright, HVAC people. Hey, I got this young man right here. He produced the
521 start kit.
The 521 start kit. What's your name?
Sir. Potter. Andrew Potter.
Potter. How did you come with that invention?
Well, I had to make it easier to use. Guys were taking too long to hook them up in my company, so I pre-wired it for them, and they just put 3 wires on and they were done.
Just a random day out here, and I ran into the inventor of the 521 hard start kit. Alright, HVAC people. Hey, your boy WW HVAC having a great day. It's 107 degrees out here, and I ran into the inventor of the hard start kit. Come on, y'all. Mr. Potter, thank you for your service, sir.